Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, 5.3.4 free radical substitution of alkanes. This is the only chemical reactions that you will learn in alkenes. Okay, alkenes are relatively unreactive because of the absence of functional group. Alkene contain only strong CH and CC sigma bond. At room temperature, alkene does not react with Cl2 or Br2 in the dark. Okay, however, alkene undergoes free radical substitution with halogens in the presence of UV light. So it's a must to have a UV light. If in the dark, there will no reaction occur. The hydrogen atom in alkene is successively replaced by chlorine or bromine atom to produce halogenated alkene. So for example, this is a methane and you react with the chlorine in the presence of heat or UV light. And you can substitute one of the H with the Cl. Alkene reactions. Okay. Free radical substitution reaction. Replace hydrogen with a halogen atom, initiated by addition of energy in the form of heat or UV light to start breaking bonds. Generally get multiple products with multiple substitutions through chain reactions. So example ini ethane. So it replaces one of the hydrogen and it can replace all the hydrogens with the chlorine. So you have several products that can produce during this reaction. Okay, substitution reaction, chlorination of methane. This is another name for this reaction, chlorination of methane. Methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of heat or light to produce a mixture of products through a sequence of substitution reactions in which the hydrogen atoms are successively replaced by chlorine atoms. So this is the first step of the reaction. No, this is the overall reaction of the substitution reaction. So methane plus chlorine, you will get chloromethane plus dengan HCl as the byproduct. So the reaction can proceed more and more and more until all the hydrogen being substitute with the chlorine. So there are 4 products formed: chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, and tetrachloromethane. So there are no more hydrogen in the methane, in the original methane. Free radical substitution. The breaking of a covalent bond so that each atom retains one of the shared electrons will produce 2 free radicals. So macam like what you learn in the free radical reaction. Cl2, so dia akan pecah, dia akan jadi Cl radical tambah dengan another one Cl radical. So yang ni maksud dia breaking of a covalent bond so that each atom retains one of the shared electrons will produce 2 free radicals. So these are the 2 free radicals. Free radicals are very reactive. They are intermediates in the reaction mechanism. The substitution reactions of alkanes follow the free radical mechanism, which involve 3 major steps. So the first one is initiation. So this is actually the initiation process where you convert the neutral atom into a radicals. Propagation ataupun pembiakan, percambahan, propagate. Free radicals attack molecules to produce another free radical. So yang ni radical ni dia akan attack dengan, contoh kita ambil CH4. So CH4 plus with your Cl radical. So one of the Cl will replace one of this radical, the chlorine radical will replace one of the hydrogen there. So it will come CH3Cl plus HCl. So this is the propagation process part. This is the second step. Okay, the third step is termination. When radical jumpa radical, two free radicals combine to form a molecule. So contohnya yang ni, ini mungkin jumpa balik dengan diri dia ni. Ataupun radical yang ini jumpa balik, nanti kita tengok. Okay, mechanism of free radical substitution. Follow 3 major steps. Okay, the initiation. The initiation from 2Cl2, it will become 2 radicals, like what I did just now. So you have to have this thing, or else it won't occur. The reaction won't occur if you don't have this condition. Either one, light or UV, heat or UV, either one. Okay, step 2, propagation, percambahan. Free radicals attack molecules to produce another free radical. Okay, contoh yang ni, chlorine radical extract hydrogen from methane and methyl radical form. Okay, so contohnya yang ni, CH4, this is CH4, a methane. Okay, it had shared electrons between carbon and hydrogen. So the radical ni pergi ambil satu hydrogen dekat sini. And the green electron will still be with the carbon, and the yellow hydrogen akan bawa. Okay, look at this arrow. Is a half-headed arrow ya. Separuh je. Sebab dia bawa satu elektron. It just transferred one electron only. All of this along these reactions is the arrow is only involving half-headed sebab dia hanya carry satu elektron saja. Okay, so green electron towards carbon, yellow electron goes to hydrogen and it will combine with another radical. So dia akan jadi HCl. So methane ni tadi, a neutral atom will become a radical, methane radical, free radical. So this is the first step of your propagation. So there's another possibility. Methyl radical extract chlorine from another Cl. Ini radical ni pula pergi serang Cl yang daripada awal tadi tu. Okay, so the radical of your methane attack or attract, dia extract satu chlorine dekat sini. So dia ambil, merah ni akan ikut chlorine kat sini, dia akan pecah kat sini. Merah akan ikut chlorine kat sini, so dia buat attachment, so dia akan jadi chloromethane. And this chlorine will become a radical. Okay, make sure the arrow semua ialah half-headed arrow because it only carries one electron. Okay, termination. When two free radicals combine to form a molecule. So, contohnya radical chlorine yang pertama jumpa radical chlorine yang kedua, dia akan dapat Cl2 balik. Mati. So, in termination ni, process step, you have to get a neutral atom balik, neutral molecule balik. So, contohnya methane radical jumpa dengan chlorine radical. So, kamu akan dapat chloromethane. Sorry. Okay, so yang ni ialah methane free radical jumpa dengan methane free radical. You will have your ethane. So dia akan propagate the chain, the rantai. It will become longer. So these are the process involved in free radicals. Okay, step 1. Simplification of the steps. Okay, Cl, step 1 is initiation. So this is initiation process where Cl akan pecah dua, masing-masing akan carry one electron each. So one radical here, one radical there. Okay, this is your initiation process. Okay, step yang kedua, kotak yang kedua, ini ialah propagation. So propagation ialah bila yang radical pergi serang yang neutral. So this is your radical, chlorine. Dia will attack your neutral atom of your ethane yang ni. So dia akan ambil satu hydrogen dekat sini. Dia ada dua elektron dekat sini kan, shared electron. Satu akan diambil oleh hydrogen, satu akan diambil oleh ethane ni. So ethane akan jadi free radicals, yang chlorine akan jadi neutral molecule. So step 3 pun sama. Yang ni pergi serang lagi yang ni. Propagation, radical jumpa dengan neutral atom. So dia serang, dia akan tarik satu elektron dekat sini. So dia akan dapat Cl dekat sini. Yang ni akan dapat neutral pula. Dia akan dapat radical balik dekat dia. Okay. It's not necessarily that you only have one molecule kat sini tau. Katakanlah 1 liter ethane. Ini kan ethane kan? Dalam bentuk liquid. Satukan kamu ada 1 liter. 1 liter ethane. Kamu rasa ada berapa juta molekul dalam tu? Bukan ada seketul ni saja, bukan ada seketul ni saja. Yang ni dia dah react dengan ni dah mati. Habis yang bawah ni datang yang mana? Ini kan kalau 1 liter berapa juta. Even 1 mol pun berapa Avogadro molecule number dia. 1 to the power of 22 million tau. Berapa thousand million ni molecules. You have 1 mole. If you have 1 liter, how many thousand trillion zillion molecules you have in this beaker? So don't assume that ini dah react habis mati. Habis mana datang yang ni lagi? Mana datang inilah datang yang berjuta-juta molekul ada kat sini. Okay. So this is propagation step. When you react a radical with a neutral atom. So in termination step, bila dua-dua radikal berjumpa. So bila dua-dua radikal berjumpa, dia akan jadi neutral. So gabungkan saja radikal jumpa radikal, dia akan make one bonding kat situ. So ini pun akan buat satu bonding, ni pun akan buat bonding, ni pun akan buat bonding. Okay, senang je. Okay. Alah, dah bagi jawapan. Okay, jumpa.